Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this mini border. It's easy as it's one round. It's quick and it's beautiful. For my border I used a crochet thread. This is size 8. And the 125mm crochet hook. Make sure that your hook goes easily through the fabric. If not, change the size. Choose a smaller one, and you'll need a needle with a big eye. Let's get started. Insert your hook into your fabric. Attach the thread with a slip stitch. Single crochet in the same place. Chain 1. Leave a space of 1 chain and 1 double crochet in your fabric. Chain 3. Single crochet in the top of the first double crochet. The double crochet you just worked. Around the double crochet you just worked, make 2 single crochets. Leave a space of about 1 chain and single crochet in the fabric. Chain 1. Leave a space of about 1 chain and double crochet into the fabric. Chain 3. Single crochet in the top of the double crochet you just worked. Around this double crochet, single crochet 2. Leave a space of 1 chain and single crochet. Repeat the instructions from chain 1 to single crochet all the way along your crochet project. Finish with a single crochet and chain 1. Fasten off and use your needle to hide the end. Please check the little box below this video for the link to the written pattern. I thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you've learned something new. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.